all rodgy. So back again. We have a mess of an engine bay to clean up. I just see a socket down there which I want to get out, but we have a new battery. Yay! This means that I'm going to show you the sound system working. So as you can see, most of this wiring loom is out of the way. That should be connected down there somewhere. However, bada bing. Hopefully that works. Bada boom. Now let me go grab my keys and we'll start up this stereo. Alright, now with all that reconnected, we have power. Yes, power. Oh, helps when I'm using the right keys. Because guess what? I have 2 Corolla keys now. We have dash lights. We have power to the Rakunavi. Alright. Alright, so sound system on, doors closed. Still pretty empty in here, so once we get the seats back in, it'll actually dampen it up a bit more, but I can hear it from there and across the boot better than I can through these doors. You kind of hear it from the firewall too, but it's a massive difference. I can still feel this door vibrating a little. I wonder what the other door's like. Yeah, I can still feel the door vibrating a little bit. I think once the door cards are going on, that'll probably also help it, just in terms of keeping vibration off of it. But again, that is turned way the fuck up, like higher than I'd ever listened to it driving, even when I had a bung gearbox. So just in terms of vibration, it's pretty good, but again, it's way louder in there. It's not quite everyone's favorite time, but yeah, the degrees are, it's not brake cleaner, I guess, so look at that gunk. Nasty ass. I want it looking funky, fresh, ready to go when I get that engine back here. And because just spraying degreaser on it isn't the entire answer, scrubby. Listen, I'm just saying, I've never cleaned this engine bay once in the 8 or 9 years that I've owned this car. There is some serious build-up of shit, grime, dust, dirt, rocks. Looks like I'm starting to get to it, but this could be a process. So far, as you can see, started cleaning up here. There's still a bunch of crap down there. Started to get in behind here. Starting to think I might pull all the stuff out and clean in behind it, but I don't want to. Like, this is just a daily. I am just doing a basic cleanup and getting it ready for the engine to go back in. I do kind of want to spray paint this part here and this part here and this one here, just where everything's sort of rubbed through. Same with down the bottom there, like as you can see the back mount there. So I kind of want to do all that and paint it, but I'm also super not pressured into doing all that sort of stuff. I kind of just want to make it look nice, like at least a 5 out of 10, because it's currently at like a 1 out of 10. Make it a 5 out of 10 and then pop it all back together. Anyway, yeah. Alright, and like an hour and a half later, we are mostly clean. I haven't done the rails very well, but that's all stuff that can happen later. But, you know, hoses are clean, cables are clean, control arms, and your cross members all clean, so now that's ready to go back in. I just got to finish putting the engine together. So I leave for halfway tomorrow morning, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to get up, I'm going to get off my phone and I'm going to stop doom scrolling. I'm going to do something productive. I'm gonna get ready. So anyway, I started polishing the car that I'm not taking. So let's see how that comes out. So this is a nice little before. As you can see here, very, very matte. Can't really see much in the reflection there. It's also bad down the side of the door, but it's very, very bad there. There's a little bit of sheen there. As you can see in the middle, there's nothing. And you can see there's a bit more sheen here. I think I'm going to do the guard. I think I'm going to get the best result from that. We'll just have a look. We'll see what comes up. For my pad, I'm using the Roops DA course, and then I'm using for my compound the Kitten Ultra Cutting Compound. You know, CRC owns Kitten. Anyway, yeah. So these two with my dual action polisher, and we'll get into that. I've never done this before, not on this scale anyway. Alright, now because I'm dumb and I do this shit at dusk and now it's dark out, you start to see the shininess of it, right? See that patch down there? Haven't done that yet. So, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but this is 2 runs. You can see there's sort of swirl marks. Pretty hard to see. And then you can see that's where it's only been 1 run. So you can see there's some murkiness in it. Down here that murkiness sort of runs out. So there's still some murkiness in it up here. And then again, that's what it started out like. So I'm not too worried about a couple of swirl marks when that's what I'm coming from. And it's like halfway done. And that's like 2/3 the way done. The step after this is to sort of fine polish it and try to get those swirl marks out. But as you can see, that's when it wants to focus. Much better. So yeah, as you can see, much shinier than it used to be. So I'm quite happy with that. Because that's the finish that it used to have. But now I've got to get an entire car done because I've done 1 guard, or almost 1 guard, and I'm going halfway tomorrow. Yucky. You can see the sort of line I went down, and then the nasty. Anyway. Damn, she's shiny. Damn, she not shiny. Damn, she's shiny.